Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Tech Like YouTube channel. So today in this video, let's see the GF4 Next futures and also the what is the price and what are the EMI prices for it. So how you can purchase it. So before going to the video friends, still if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So as you can see here friends, GF4 Next is officially launched. So they have been given the overview over here. So let us go to the specification. First of all, let us see the specifications. So you can see here they have been clearly mentioned. So 2000 rupees with easy EMI. There are terms and conditions for it, so I will explain in detail. So watch the video till the end friends. So let us see the specifications first of all. So it is available in the blue color as well as in the black color, so both the colors. So you can just scroll down, so you can see the display with the resolution. So 60 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 3 with the anti-fingerprint coating, and also the camera will be like 13 MP rear and 8 MP front camera. Battery capacity with the 3500 mAh battery, and also the processor friends, Snapdragon OM 215 processors. The clock speed will be, CPU speed will be 1.3 GHz processor, and also you can see the memory information over here. So 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of inbuilt memory friends. 32 of inbuilt memory, and also you can expandable storage. You can keep the SD card up to 512 GB available. So you can keep the network, and also it will support for the 4G, and also you can insert the both the SIMs as well as plus the memory card also. So you can see the connectivity options over here. So and also the sensors and also the audio information. So let us go to the pricing section friends. So I will click on pricing. So at the end I will explain how you can book it. So you can see here they have been mentioned here. So get GF4 Next at only 2000 rupees. Pay the balance amount in the easy EMI. So I will scroll it and I will show it how the 2000. So just scroll it, and also they have been this all are the EMI plans. So you can see, so you can avail this 300 rupees 24 months, and 18 months pack will be 350 rupees. You can see the data packs also. So I will explain. So before that, if you are going for EMI, if you want to purchase this mobile in the EMI, the processing fee will be 501 rupees. So you can see here. So first of all, you need to pay 2000 rupees. So 1999 plus you need to pay 501 rupees. So it means that you need to pay 2500 rupees, and you need to go with this all the packs. So I will explain this pack details. So always on plan. So here is it, as you can see here, 24 months. So you can pay the 300 rupees. You will get 5 GB. So per month you will get 5 GB. It is not an unlimited pack. You will get 5 GB plus 100 minutes per month. So you can see that. So and also there is another pack also. So 18 months you can pay 18 months 350 rupees. So same data. So 5 GB not per day friends. This is a complete for 28 days. You will get 5 GB of data and plus 100 minutes per month. So in the large pack, if you go for large pack for the 24 months, so you can go for the 450 rupees. In the large pack, two packs are available, 450, and for 18 months 500 rupees. So if you want to complete a bit early, so you can go for 18 months pack or 18 months duration, or else you can go with the 24 months. So 450 you can get the 1.5 GB of data per day. In this pack you can get the unlimited voice calls. So in the basic pack you won't get any unlimited calls or unlimited data. So but here you can get the 1.5 GB of data, so plus unlimited voice calls. So make sure that per day 1.5 GB, and this all the packs per month friends. So you need to reach up for every month. So and you can in Excel plan you can see that 24 months you can pay 500 rupees. So for 18 months 550 rupees. So you can get the same data 2 GB per day plus unlimited calls. You can make for any network. So in another pack you can see that 550 rupees, so 24 months, 18 months 600 rupees. So you can see here, so 2.5 GB plus unlimited data, unlimited calls. So you can get the 2.5 GB per day in this pack, and you can get the unlimited calls. So you can, before knowing the how to purchase this mobile, so I would like to share my opinion on this mobile, friends. So if you are going for full payment, or else if you're going for the EMI payment also, so I will share my opinion. So basically friends, with this EMI pack, so you need to pay for like 300 rupees, so into 24 months means, so you need to pay 7,200 rupees plus 2,500 rupees. For you are paying the more interest for this mobiles if you are going for the EMI also, and also the price is more, and also the basically how the 6,000 at the price bracket 6,500 rupees. So the mobile is like specification is low, so when we compare to the other mobiles, other brand mobiles, you can get the better mobiles so with the 6,500 budget. So because it may be because of the chipset reason or else something else, but it is not the right time to get this mobile. So if you are really interested in the Jio mobiles, if you want to get the mobile, so wait for some time friends. So there will be an offer, so I will update the video also so about this one, so where you will be getting the offers also. So maximum Jio will provide the cut off the price, and they will give the discount so soon. So at that time you can purchase this mobile, but at the present situation for the 6,500 rupees, the mobile is not worth to buy. So this is my opinion, because other brands we are getting the better specification, better display, and the battery capacity and the good processor also we are getting so with the other brands. But here in the price bracket 6,500, so this is not so good to buy, or else you can wait for some time and get the mobile at the offering price. So soon there will be offer, so I will update the video on it also. So if you want to get that notification, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel, so that if I update the video you will be getting the notification. So now let's see how we can get the mobile. So if you want the mobile, so how you can get it. So you if you want the mobile, so you can visit the website and you can click here in the right corner, you can see so I am interested. So if you tap on that, so you can get the interface, register interested, and the number you need to enter the number and generate OTP, and you can order this mobile. So or else you can, I will give link, I will give WhatsApp number in the description friends, so you can just text to them hi, so with the register mobile number, and they will get touch with you. And the third option is, so you can visit directly to the Jio nearest store and you can just order from them also. So make sure that if you are going for the EMI, so 2,500 rupees you need to pay first, and you need to go with these packs. So or else if you want the a mobile, so you can pay directly so 6,500 rupees and you can take this mobile. So directly, if you don't want any EMI packs, you can just go with the 6,500 rupees and you can get this mobile so directly. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.